Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today video is about how you can post a link of your video or any website on your Instagram story. So today video has a target of 100 likes and 100 comments. So get back to our video without wasting any time. So you open Instagram and usually people do create story and just paste the link here and post the story. And when you post the story like this method, nobody will be able to click on the link. So you just have to post story by this method. You create the story and you go the option above here, and here you will search link. Now you paste your link here and done, and now you will post a story. And here you will see this link is not clickable, but this link is clickable. So must subscribe to my channel. Thanks.